Have you ever wondered what could grow in the water of your water pipe after a week of use? I was curious, so I decided to bring a sample up to my university to check it out. And while I was at it, I decided to compare the water differences between a flower water pipe and this dab rig water pipe. We got our samples poured. Now it's time to throw them under the microscope and see if anything's swimming around.
I started by centrifuging the samples down to isolate any potential microorganisms that could be in there, and then took the supernatant off since there wouldn't be anything of interest in there. Next, I prepared the wet mount slide by placing a drop of the isolated potential microorganisms on the bottom and placed a cover slip on top. After that, we went over to the digital microscope to take a look. It took a while to find anything of interest in the dab water, but we did eventually find this one single cocci bacteria. And other than a little bit of tiny organic matter floating around, there really wasn't anything of interest in the flower water. Now, even though we didn't find anything of significant interest under the microscopes, that doesn't necessarily mean there's nothing there. We'd have to culture a sample on an agar plate to be certain. Make sure to follow for part 2.